Hello world, hello students, happy summer. Dr. K here. I hope you are doing all your summer reading, enjoying reading for fun. I thought I would come here and calculate a check digit on a book. I just picked a book randomly from the library. It really is, I could have picked any book. This is a nice children's book for much younger children that I like. I used to read it for my daughter, read it to my daughter. Here it is. Okay, let's do a check digit calculation. So every book has a ISBN number on the back. ISBN. I think it stands for International Standard Book Number, and it's a 13-digit number. See how it starts with a 9, and then it has 6 digits over here in one group, and then another 6 digits in another group. So altogether, it's 13 digits. This is an ISBN book number. The last digit, the digit that is all the way furthest to the right, is the check digit. So in this video, we're going to calculate this check digit based on the 13-digit barcode. This is 13 digits. The ISBN is 13 digits, and we're going to calculate that it's a 3. Okay? So before I start, I just want to say two things. First of all, it's going to take us maybe 3-4 minutes. The algorithm is straightforward, and we're going to prove that that number should be a 3, and that is correctly a 3. The second thing, the ISBN can also be shortened to make it a 10-digit. So in this book has both the 13-digit ISBN and also the 10-digit. The 10-digit, the last digit here, which is a 6, is also a check digit. The algorithm for that is quite different. So I'm not going to go over that algorithm in this video. I'm going to make it in a separate video. But right now, let's go ahead and show why that check digit in the 13-digit ISBN is a 3. Okay? Starts right now. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to write down the digits. Pardon my lousy handwriting. 9, 7, 8, 0, 9, 7, 8, 0, 8, 3, 3, 5, 7, 1, 7, 9, and then of course there's the check digit. Okay, does it fit in the frame? Yes. Okay, so what is the check digit? How can we show that that digit is a 3? Remember the algorithm? The check digit always gets multiplied by a 1. This is ISBN barcode. This is the same thing as a barcode of a product, like a 12-digit barcode. It's a sequence of 1s and 3s. So we know that the check digit needs to be multiplied by 1. We know that the 1s and 3s need to alternate. So this is a 3 multiplied by 3, and the pattern just continues. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, 3, and 1. Okay, so far so good. How do we know this? We know that the check digit needs to be multiplied by a 1. Now let's do the calculation. This is just multiplication table. What's 9 times 1? 9 times 1 is 9. 7 times 3. What's 7 times 3? Right? 7 times 3 is 21. In this case, we don't care about the 20. We just care about the 1. Because we're going to do a calculation at the end, and we see how much is left when we go to the next multiple of 10. 8 times 1 is 8. 0 times 3 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. 5 times 3, let's think for a second. 5 times 3, what number should go here? Remember, it's only a single digit that has to go here. 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. We don't care about the 10, so that's just a 5. If you got that, well done. 7 times 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 1 is 7. This one more time. Funny math for here. 9 times 3. 9 times 3. And we only need a single digit. Only the 1's digit. 9 times 3 is 27. So we don't care about the 20. It's just a 7. And we still ask ourselves, what is that check digit? Now, before we add these numbers, before we sum up these products, these funny products in a way, we can simplify it. We can cancel out the zeros because they add up to 0. We can make groups of 10. Remember, we can make groups of 10. Okay, 9 and 1. That goes bye-bye because that's a group of 10. What else? Are there other groups of 10? You better see it. Dr. K, where is it? Let me do it. This is the part where students love. Say, Dr. K, sit down. Let me do it. Let me finish it. Yes, the 3 and the 7. That's nice. Another 3 and 7. That's nice. What else? What else? What can we do? Oh, Dr. K, I can make a 20. How could you make a 20, love? What's going on? How can you make a 20? Dr. K, look, I can do a 7, a 5, and an 8. That adds up to 20. And you are right. I can cancel a 7, a 5, and an 8. Adds up to 20. So what is left? Let me see. What is left? We have a 9, and we have an 8. Okay, what is 9 plus 8? 9 plus 8 is how much? 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, how much more do we need from 17 to the next multiple of 10, which in this case is 20? How much more do we need to add from 17? How much do we need to add to 17 to get to 20? What is needed? We need 3. And so that check digit should be a 3. And if you remember carefully from the beginning, the check digit was indeed a 3. That last digit was a 3. Again, in a separate video, I don't want this video to be too long. In a separate video, I'm going to show you the different algorithm to calculate the ISBN number when it's only 10 digits. It's a different algorithm altogether. I mean, it's very similar, but it's got its different twists. It's similar because the check digit always gets multiplied by 1. It's different because we're multiplying by different a different number, different style, different way, but it's all algorithms just like that. Check digits are fun. Again, read every book you get your hands on, and not just that, do the check digit calculation on every book you can get your hands on. It's fun. Last thing I want to say is also I noticed that sometimes I found like this paper bag here. Let's make this bigger. So this paper bag, and this paper bag had a barcode on it, and I looked at it, and guess what? It's 13 digits, and the same algorithm works. So this is, I don't know why it's a 13 digit barcode, but it's an ISBN style. See? Same thing, 13 digits. So the algorithm works. In fact, I could have calculated that and calculated the check digit is a 1. And not just a paper bag. I found that these, reusable, thank you for shopping, New York City bodega bags, same thing. 13 digit check digit, and I could have calculated that check digit is a 3. So it's a lot of fun. Everything is around us. These check digits are all around us, and especially ISBN check digits, the 13 check digits, they're all around us. And in another video, like I said, I'll do another video for the check digit algorithm when it's only 10, when it's ISBN of 10. Dr. K, I have the best students in the world. I hope you're having a good summer. Make me proud of you.